been up with my sons and his wife's this last weekend, and while we were up there we came across some country that I shot it with my phone just because the country looks completely different than what it does here. And so I just thought I'd share that with y'all guys real quick and just let y'all have a look. Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and as y'all saw from that little first clip, I thought it'd be fun to show a different part of Oklahoma. Like I'd said before, that's a part where my son lives and his wife, and it's a ranch that's just under 40,000 acres. I mean, it is huge, and that was just a small section. We got to the top of this hill, and it just looked completely different than what the rest of Oklahoma looks like, so I thought I'd video a little bit of it and share it with you guys. So today, what I'm going to do is two things. You saw the caption, it said logo cut and a mystery cut. So the logo cut is actually for a business out of Ohio. It's called Ricker Woodworks. He actually does the same thing I do. He's got a CNC machine. He does all this stuff, and there's no reason he couldn't cut the logo himself. But I've been talking to him a lot lately. He actually is ordering t-shirts from my wife. If you remember last video, I mentioned that I'm going to start putting a link down below so you can go buy Smokey CNC Woodworks t-shirts. She'll actually take orders, and that's what he's doing. He's ordering himself some business shirts for Ricker Woodworks. Awesome. So after talking to him for a bit, I thought, hey, you know, if you've got a logo, let me have it. I'll cut it on YouTube, and I'll get you out there. I'll let people know where you're at. And so he's got a Facebook page. It's Ricker Woodworks. I'm sure I'll bring it up again at the end of the video. So that's the first thing we're going to cut. The second thing, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to let you guess what it is up until the end. Just because it looks different and you're just going to be going, what's he doing? So that's what we're doing today, guys. We are going to do a logo sign out of Ohio, and we're also going to do a mystery cut. So here we go. So that was it, guys. It was a very simple logo, but you know, sometimes simple's best. I thought it came out cool. He's got a real good logo idea. I mean, just one of those big old saws, those big two-handed saws, and a little log down on the bottom, his name across the middle. Very simple, but it gets the point across. And you saw I put the Facebook logo down here, so you'd know to go check him out on Facebooks. Again, that's Ricker Woodworks. The guy's name's Rick Nolan out of Ohio, and you can find him on Facebook. So the second one, the mystery cut. Anybody figured it out yet? I'll give you a minute. So I cut that little thing that looked like a Y. How about now? Does anybody know what that is? So here it is. It's a slingshot. My church is going to attempt to do some form of vacation Bible school for the little ones. And so about, 5, 6, 7 years old. So during each of the lessons they do, they want to give some kind of little prop so they can kind of keep a hold on it and remember it. So they're obviously going to do David and Goliath. And so they were needing some little bitty slingshots. So that's a little bitty slingshot. And if I can show you it's a little bitty slingshot, it's tiny. So right here I've just got a little piece of rope in there right now. What I'm actually going to recommend is they buy some elastic. That way this thing actually doesn't zing stuff and you pop another kid too hard. It'll shoot something a little ways but not real hard. I'm not going to recommend them actually using rubber band or whatever you use for a true slingshot, just because it wouldn't be safe. So those are the things for today. If you guys hadn't gone over and checked me out at Smokey Uncuffed on YouTube or on my podcast, whichever you choose to do, please run over there and check it out, see what I've got going for the week. And if y'all guys hadn't subscribed to this one yet, please run over there, do so. If you like it well enough, share it with somebody else. Let them know about it. So guys, that's going to be it for this week. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.